Good morning, children. Let us continue with lesson number 2, numbers. Today we will learn addition. Let us practice the keywords. Count, count, add, add, total, total, combine, combine, and all together, and all together. Let us take an example 1. Now let us add the ones. First number 4. 4 in the mind and take 3 in the fingers. After 4, let us say, children, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones. Write 7 in the ones place. Next let us add the tens. First number 3. 3 in the mind and take 2 in the fingers. After 3, let us say, children, 4, 5. 5 tens. Write 5 in the tens place. Answer is 57. Homework. 35 plus 34. Now let us add the ones. First number 5. 5 in the mind and take 4 in the fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ones. Write 9 in the ones place. Next let us add the tens. First number 3. 3 in the mind and take 3 in the fingers. After 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens. Write 6 in the tens place. Answer is 69. Thank you, children. See you tomorrow.